Hi guys! So we got our SunBasket box today and I wanted to do a quick unboxing to let you guys see what it looks like on the inside and if the quality has remained the same over the months and months and months that we have been using SunBasket. Now a lot of people really struggle with the cost of how much the meal delivery services are. For us, it actually saves us money. I have everything I need, it's all prepared, and so I don't have to fool with any of the prep work or getting the food processor dirty or anything like that. And we don't end up eating out because I don't feel like I don't want to cook, you know? Not every day is a day that I want to cook. I do enjoy cooking. And this allows me to cook without all the prep work and the grocery shopping. Yeah, that's not a favorite activity of mine. So, what do we have here? Ooh, this is pretty. This is new. We have a little magazine. This was not in the last SunBasket that we got, but this has all the recipes from this week. Well, that's exciting. So even if you didn't get every single recipe that you want, this gives you the recipes from this week. That's awesome. And the photography in here, guys. The thing about this particular food photography, if you can see that, your meals actually look like this when you're done. It's the coolest thing ever. So it looks like a chef actually came to your house and fixed your meal for you, which is awesome. So this week we have cauliflower risotto with shrimp, butternut squash, and fried sage. Have you ever had fried sage? It's amazing. And anything with a little spice is gonna be great right now because I've got all this allergy stuff going on. So let's look. Okay, so the organic sage, can you see this, guys? It is so fresh and it is completely unblemished. That's awesome. Sometimes even in the grocery store, the little packages are kind of off. So let's see, we have some walnuts. Now we can do walnuts and almonds. We cannot do cashews, pistachios, or peanuts, and so I always try to check, but the cool thing about SunBasket is even when they do send nuts, they're always in their little individual packs, so there's no cross-contamination. This is the risotto spice blend. Guys, the cauliflower, it's already riced. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, yay. Okay, so they even send you the vegetable broth. It's one of the things that I really love about SunBasket. Your pumpkin puree comes in this great little thing. Now, all their containers and all their plastics are recyclable, which is really important if you have somewhere around you that does recycling. The butternut squash is already cut up. Now, these are actually two-person meals. Most of these we will fix for lunch, and the boys will, they'll eat their share of it. So we have steak au poivre with roasted winter vegetables. I'm interested to see if these veggies are chopped up. They are not. Part of that is because parsnips really don't travel well chopped, but I love the parsnips. Okay, so I'm picky about my Brussels sprouts. I have never gotten a bad or bruised Brussels sprout from SunBasket. Ever. Never. That's fantastic. Okay, they even sent the ghee. That's fantastic. And it's garlic flavored. Look at that. That's going to be a tasty dish. So the last dish that we ordered for this week is the orange chipotle glazed pork with coleslaw and roasted sweet potato. I'm a huge fan of coleslaw, especially when the cabbage comes already chopped. So we have that, and then, ooh, what's our little sauce here? Oh, apple cider vinegar. So that you everything is in here, guys. Everything that you need. And then we have our little separator, and then right on top of the great big ice pack that is still frozen solid, just so you guys can get a little thing here. This is frozen solid. We have, ooh, this is amazing. The shrimp. Okay, it's still frozen. Partially frozen anyway. So, and they even tell you how many days you have to cook whichever dish. We'll probably do the shrimp for dinner tonight. But I mean, it's beautiful. It's not, you know how sometimes you can get it from the store and it looks like it's been there for several days? This does not look that way. Oh, yum. Beef sirloin steak. And then we have our boneless pork chops. And there's 2 in there. And so that's a SunBasket box, guys. It's got all this delightful stuff in it, and I am actually gonna go pop this in the fridge, run the boys to therapy, and then come back tonight and have an amazing dinner that I did not spend a ton of time fixing. I'm gonna pop my link in down there. You can get $40 off your first SunBasket through that link right now. Sometimes it's only $25, sometimes it's $40. Right now it's $40. So if you've been wanting to try a SunBasket, now is the time. We'll see you later. Bye.